Today we're making soft and fluffy homemade beignets from scratch. First, combine the warm milk, yeast, and sugar, then add the eggs and melted butter. Gradually mix in the flour and salt until a soft dough forms. Knead the dough until smooth. Cover it and let it rise until it doubles in size. Next, roll out the dough. Cut it into squares and let them rest for a few minutes. Heat some oil in a pan and carefully fry the dough until both sides are beautifully golden brown. Remove the beignets and place them on paper towels to drain the excess oil. Finally, dust them generously with powdered sugar and serve warm. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes.